that a plus b equals 10. Prove that a squared plus b squared is greater than or equal to 50.
All right.
Check this out.
Oh, thank you. So we're going to start with this right here. Now we have two variables. I want to go ahead and solve for one variable in terms of the other. I think I want to make b by itself. So if I were to make b by itself, that's going to cause it to be b is equal to 10 minus a. Is that right?
Yeah.
Did someone say why I did this?
No.
Okay, don't scare me. Nope. We're going to plug that into this b guy right here, all of this. So we have a squared plus 10 minus a all squared is equal to 50. Now, y'all remember back in Algebra 2, this term right here is called the perfect square. Yeah, perfect square. So I'm going to leave the first a squared alone. And let's do this in one go. I know some of you guys would like to write this twice and do FOIL and distribute, right? Okay. I like to take the shortcut. What is 10 times 10? 100. Leave some space. What is negative a times negative a? A squared. And then 10 times negative a is how many? Negative 10a. If I double that, we get minus 28. If that made sense, cool. If it didn't, write it twice off to the side, distribute, and take the longer way. Okay? Let's combine like terms. I have 2a squared. So 2a squared. And I want to write this in a factor form, meaning descending variable order. Plus 100. I forgot to write equal to 50. It's a bad habit. And then, when we are factoring, we set the right side or left side, all of them equal to what number? 0. So I want to go ahead and move the 50 over. Minus 50 on both sides is going to cost 2a squared minus 28 plus 50 is equal to 0. Are we okay with that one? Can I factor out a whole number to make it easier?
Yeah.
We have 2, 20, and 50. What can I factor out?
2.
The 2. So we have a squared minus 10a plus 25. Bless you. So everything revolves around the inside. You can factor it with the 2, but in the end, we'll get the same answer with just this guy right here. So let's leave the 2 alone, since I'm not messing with it. What's going to satisfy the factor of this inside? Negative 5 and? Good. Negative 5 and negative 5 is equal to 0. So whether I solve for a with this one or the second one, are we going to get the same answer?
Yes.
So we know a is equal to 5, no matter what. So that means my equation looks like this. The graph. And it says to prove it, so I guess once I go over this, I will be proving it, at 5. And this value is a, and that value is y. And if you want to say a is technically x, that's fine too. Okay, it's our domain is a bottom line. And the equation that we had initially was our inequality at 50. So let's write 50 over here. And I'm going to make a solid line at 50. So it's saying at a equals 5, it's going to hit 50, and the parabola is going to go upward. So is my graph, as the equation or the inequality says, everything is equal to or above 50? Yes, it is. This graph is at 50 and above. And if you want to write, it is opening upward, opens upward, meaning we have our greater than. That would be perfect.